Hey there, finance fans. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into easy-to-digest bites. Today's video is all about, what is overdraft protection? A handy banking feature that's become even more relevant in 2025. If you've ever swiped your card and crossed your fingers hoping you had enough in your account, this one's for you. Let's dive right in. Overdraft protection is essentially a safety net provided by your bank to prevent your transactions from bouncing when you don't have sufficient funds. Picture this. You're at the grocery store, and your account is a few dollars short. Without overdraft protection, that purchase gets declined, and you might face hefty non-sufficient funds, NSF, fees, often around $35 per incident. But with this service activated, the bank steps in to cover the gap. How does it work? There are a couple of common setups. First, you can link your checking account to a savings account. If an overdraft happens, funds automatically transfer from your savings to cover it. Alternatively, some banks offer a line of credit option, where they lend you the money temporarily, similar to a short-term loan. In 2025, with updated regulations, banks are making these options clearer and more customizable to fit your needs. The biggest perks? It saves you from embarrassing declined transactions, avoids those annoying fees, and helps maintain your account's good standing. Plus, it gives you a bit of breathing room for unexpected expenses. However, it's not free. You might incur transfer fees, interest charges, or even a monthly service fee, depending on your bank. That's why it's crucial to read the fine print and understand the costs before signing up. To make the most of overdraft protection, keep an eye on your balance with mobile alerts and budgeting apps. This way, you can prevent overdrafts altogether and use the feature wisely. Remember, it's a tool, not a crutch. Thanks for watching. If this explanation helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money. See you in the next video.